Hi, I'm Chinuk Sen from Business Today, and we have somebody really special with us, the founder, MD and CEO of MobiKwik, Bipin Preet Singh. So, hello sir, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
Let's just dive straight in. I just wanted to know, just going back 2 years, how has COVID impacted your business and how did you brace for it, and what have you all done to handle this and going forward?
Sure. So COVID was obviously a great time for people sitting at home and doing transactions digitally. So there was a great boost to digital payments and digital transactions. Overall, our business grew more than 100% in that year. In fact, there was so much tailwind that the next year again we grew 86%. So overall, both from number of subscribers, number of transactions, overall business volume grew substantially. So we ended up doing more than 540 crores of revenue last year, which was 86% higher than the previous year. And also we turned profitable in the last 2 quarters.
Yes.
So all in all, I would say that COVID has been a
well
great boost.
You?
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you think would the problems have been potentially if it wasn't if COVID hadn't happened? Do you think your growth scale would have been at par with what it is right now?
I think in general, the adoption of fintech in India was anyway growing very fast, but COVID gave it a very big boost. So I would say that COVID actually helped change consumer behavior in a much bigger way and a much granular way. And not just in big cities and towns, but also across the length and breadth of the country, where people are now comfortable paying with a phone, and they're open to scanning QR codes and making payments. They're open to taking a loan on a phone, using buy now, pay later, etc. So overall, I think COVID has changed customer behavior, and that has been a great boost for our business.
Okay. And do you see yourselves, like companies like you, taking up more ways that so as the awareness about doing everything online and how simple it can be? Like, do you see yourself doing something to spread the awareness about it?
I think overall in India, the growth of generally the payments and fintech is correlated with the amount of financial literacy and with the level of trust. Ultimately, we as consumers need to trust somebody with our money, an app with our money. When you are transacting face to face, then it's very easy. But when you're actually taking money or sending money or doing anything with money on an app, so you need a high level of trust. So I think building strong credibility as a brand, providing a high quality customer service, and creating awareness about customer rights and what customers should and shouldn't do is very, very critical for a company like us.
So would you ever have considered doing on-ground events, maybe in, say, tier 2, tier 3 cities or smaller villages where maybe the adoption is not that high?
Absolutely. So we go right now to a lot of smaller cities where our field force goes and puts QR codes where you can do transactions using MobiKwik. You can start taking loans. We tap into the shopkeepers who are actually financially not included because they are not well served by the banks. They don't have credit cards, so we try to provide them credit. We try to provide them payment services. Going forward, we are willing to provide them insurance services. So we are actually taking a targeted approach where we do BTL there in terms of reaching out to those markets and those specific population in order to increase awareness.
So do you see this significantly picking up?
Of course, I think that there is no, there is only the mass media or the television and the overall sort of media can only reach up to a certain level. Because it's, again, it's a broadcast medium, right?
Got it.
But when you actually do on-ground activities, that's when you have more people-to-people connect and you create more confidence and credibility in something which requires a lot more trust.
Of course. And so what's next for MobiKwik?
What's next for us is continue doing more of the same. We've grown significantly over last 1 year. We want to continue growing, but we have also chosen the path of profitable growth over growth at all costs. So we want to continue growing maybe 30, 40, 50% year on year, but being profitable.
Good. I really hope that works out for you. And thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.